Number 16. This guy's going to take us a little bit of work here. So the bottom, I'm going to have to bust B in order to factor it. And the top, well, wait a second. N squared minus 25 is a difference of squares, and it just has a 4 in front. So in the front, where we normally would have, let's say, n minus 5, n plus 5, what number can I put in the front pieces to give me a 4 that's the same? How about a 2n? Yeah, we should recognize, hey, this is a 2n minus 5 times a 2n plus 5, because 2n times a 2n is 4n squared, which is what you have there. If you continue, you'd have a plus 10n if you did that, and then a minus 10n, and woo, away they would go, and then you would have that. So this is a difference of squares. We're used to n squared minus 25. We're used to, n plus 5, n minus 5. But if the number in front is a perfect square also, well, just put him in the front. If it had been a 9, I would have gone a 3n and a 3n. If it had been a 16n squared, I would have done a 4n and a 4n. Okay, what about the bottom? We got to bust up that B to do the A value times the C value. That's 20. So I have a 1 times 20, 2 times 10, 3 times nothing, 4 and 5. It's going to be the 4 and 5. We're going to bust this up into a 4n and a 5n. So we have 2n squared plus 4n plus 5n plus 10. So now, let me erase that out of the way. We now need to go ahead, and we created 4 pieces so that we could group the front 2 and group the back 2. Now we factor out whatever can be factored out here. We have a 2 that can come out and an n that can come out. Left behind with an n plus 2. Here a 5 can come out, and we're left behind with an n plus 2. So this factors down. Let's put it up here to an n plus 2, because that's what they both have here, and then a 2n plus 5. 2n plus 5. Oh, do you see what happens here? 2n plus 5 on the bottom, 2n plus 5 on the top, cross out. You're left with an answer of 2n minus 5 over an n plus 2, which is way simpler than all that. Took a little work, but we used the skills we had to come up with our solution.